So when I hear persons changing the lyrics of Gully Ride to vulgarity, it pains. It hits me in a place that I cannot explain. I get numb. I think he's called Genius, has done an amazing thing to take the melody, the folk song, and reposition it in today's day and age and today's culture. Congrats, Stephen. But a number of people have decided to put certain kinds of lyrics to this thing.
Making dirty lyrics on the Hill and Gully Riddim is like taking the Jamaican national anthem, the instrumental, or the I Pledge My Heart Forever, and putting explicit lyrics on top of it with. You see, take a listen to this.
Yo, she want business. Girl, skin it up.
No, this is not condemnation of Stephen McGregor or the artist. No, this is education. This is balance. This is growth.
Any boy when I love Jesus Christ, God Almighty, a one press. Yaksta, come here for your time. For your time, you know you did so if you embarrass yourself. Never you ever diss Jesus Christ, the Son of God Almighty. You will embarrass yourself.
Yo, welcome my beautiful people. Welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me do it over on my side. No, me have to big up all of the ones who I give thanks for life, who subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video, and definitely them thoughts in the comment section. Right now, my people, we have Fae Ellington. She went behind the camera and she speak her mind, people. She talk about the direction of the music, the explicits where the artists them are putting at the music. And to be honest, my people, I'm glad to share that one with you. Because I'm there, me are really amazed. From speed forward at Jamaica, a be a negativity are going in the space. Me I wonder how many Jamaican people are pre. What's the reality right now? Like what mindset there? What's really important? Cause you have some influencers out there, my people, and I don't believe them do them job. And that's why I said it in our previous blog. I'm gonna say it again. We can't really take no influence from the space right now, cause there is no one out there that can influence us. From Bob Marley, them the days they're over, my people. So to be honest, I'm really glad to share this with the people, because we can actually watch something and educate ourselves and take some knowledge from it, so we can incorporate that in our day-to-day life and also pass it down to our kids, because it's needed in the space, my people. You don't know the thing. And then on top of that, we have Khago. Khago come out and them have a lot of things to say. A lot of things to say about Yaksta and the same speed situation when I talk about my people. So no one stick around for that one year. And if you like the content, drop a like on the video and don't forget to subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comment section. Good
morning. I'm sitting on my carport in a state of disbelief. From about a week or so ago, I've been wanting to say something about what I'm about to say, but not sure how to go about it. So I'm just going to go about it the way I feel in my gut, in my stomach. This is Fae Ellington from Jamaica. I love my culture dearly, but sometimes I wonder if some of us Jamaicans understand what we do and how it can affect our people, our children in particular, and how we are viewed. Now let me tell you something. Folk music is a very important part of our heritage. It's not just for entertainment, you know. If you listen to the words of our folk songs, you'll see that they're telling a story, social commentary, speaking about the times when they were developed and written. So when I hear persons changing the lyrics of Gully Ride to vulgarity, it pains. It hits me in a place that I cannot explain. I get numb. What I will say is that Stephen McGregor, I think he's called Genius, has done an amazing thing to take the melody, the folk song, and reposition it in today's day and age and today's culture. Congrats, Stephen. But a number of people have decided to put certain kinds of lyrics to this thing, not understanding that they're defacing our culture, that they are putting us in a place where we'll have to explain to our children Listen, man, when a child hears the Hill and Gully melody, what do you think they are likely to sing now? And no matter tell me say you're an entertainer, so you know how parents must take care of their children and raise them, that entertainers have no role to play. Lie! You damn well know that you don't have a role to play. Pardon my expression there just now, but me hungry? Me hungry? You're not supposed to know better. It cannot because you want to get some likes and you want to make some money and you want it go wide and yes, it's going to go wide and far. And I wonder how you will be viewed. All of you who've decided to get down in the gutter, all of you who've decided to get slack and nasty, Hill and Gully Ride, Manuel Road, you don't understand on the heritage. I heard somebody put out a post which is just so apropos. The person said, it is like treating your anthem, hearing the instrumental version of your anthem and start singing all kind of nastiness on top of it. Or your pledge. We have gone totally over the cliff. We're not at the brink anymore. We're over. And I'm asking the Minister of Culture to say something. You're hearing these things. They're being brought to your attention. Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange, say something. I know that these songs with the vulgarity must offend you. I know how passionate you are about the culture. So I'm asking you to say something. I can't begin to tell you what has been happening to me for the past week. I've reached out to a few people who I know understand our culture, who speak about our culture, who are deep in our culture, and ask them what can be said, what can be done, who is going to speak. But I'm happy to hear that some people are speaking. I'm very happy to hear that. But how do we reach these people who just want likes and want vibes and want popularity? You do not interfere with our heritage like that, please. Please. And this is not about genius, Stephen McGregor. But Stephen, if you are parcel and party to any of these people recording them the kind of lyrics, well, we would have a problem with you, me I tell you straight up. But if you revitalize the rhythm of the folk song, me happy about that. Something is wrong with this society when we get to that place. There's so much good about Jamaica. Why we have to drag it down sometimes? Why? What do we? What is wrong with us? Why Hill and Gully Ride or gone into all kind of sexual abyss? Why? I'm so disappointed with that particular young lady whose version I heard. You know who you are. Me now call your name, but you know who you are. Shame. And I suppose some of you will string me up for this, but I don't care. You have to have somebody standing up for what is right and correct. Our heritage is not to be trifled with. And if you think it is okay, if that was your own rhythm and your own song and to go to that level, you know something wrong. Very, very wrong with how you're thinking and where you're going. And this is not just to that young lady, so all of you who decide you have to go to the gutter to make money. This is Fae Ellington. Whether you agree with me or not, thanks for watching. I hope maybe I've planted a seed or a thought somewhere where we can wheel and come again. And if you know any of those people who sing any of them nasty lyrics on top of Hill and Gully or Manuel Road, have a word with them. Something wrong. Very, very wrong, and we have to get it right.
Making dirty lyrics on the Hill and Gully rhythm is like taking the Jamaican national anthem, the instrumental, or the I Pledge My Heart Forever, and putting explicit lyrics on top of it. You see, the Hill and Gully rhythm by Steve McGregor, it brought back one of the most powerful pieces of Jamaican culture, Hill and Gully Rider. A traditional folk song, a cultural treasure, something generations of children, school children, dance to every single year with pride. JCDC, independence, emancipation. Listen, we need to have a serious conversation, genius. Every single year, hundreds of Jamaican school children dance Hill and Gully Ride in cultural competitions. That song is not just entertainment. It is heritage, it is identity, it is one of the sounds of Jamaica itself. So when we take something that's sacred and inject extremely X-rated and derogatory lyrics into it, take a listen to this.
Yo, she want business. Girl, skin it out wide. Louis Vuitton, no pantomime. She want business. Girl, a cuss and girl a fight. Business. Lock me down all night. Business. Cocky take a wreck body rider. She want business. And what she want in her vagina. Business. Girl, open up wider. Business. Climb on me like a spider.
We have to ask ourselves, what are we programming into the subconscious minds of our children? Think about it. Because children don't separate the culture from the corruption. They hear the beat, they memorize the hook. And now, the same rhythm tied to the innocence and culture suddenly carrying lyrics that push the complete opposite message. And that right there is very dangerous. And no, this is not condemnation of Stephen McGregor or the artist. No, this is education. This is balance. This is growth. Because, let's be honest, making dirty lyrics on the Hill and Gully Riddim is like taking the Jamaican national anthem, the instrumental, or the I Pledge My Heart Forever, and putting explicit lyrics on top of it. You see, some things are just bigger than vibes. Some things represent the soul of the people. The songs sound good enough, don't get me wrong, because I grew up around dancehall, I was a selector. I understand the culture completely, but this time, we took it a bit too far. We have to protect the children and protect the culture, and moving forward, let's find balance before we lose the meaning behind the music. So I want to say big up to the genius, and big up to the artists them. But conversations like these matters because Jamaica must never lose itself trying to entertain itself. Making dirty lyrics on the Hill and Gully Riddim is like
one press, one tap in our forehead. You don't understand what I want. And any boy when I love Jesus Christ, God Almighty, one press. One press. Yaksta, come here for your time. For your time, you know you did so if you embarrass yourself. Never you ever diss Jesus Christ, the Son of God Almighty. You will embarrass yourself. You will embarrass yourself. What is girl, big up yourself? From the moment me see you come up and this Jesus, no. It's only a matter of a time. Because you see real people in Jamaica not having known Jesus Christ dissing. Diss anybody else, but don't diss that man named Jesus. We see it all over the world. Where some man will feel like say true they have money. This Jesus. And by tomorrow morning they go drop down on TV. Dead, boof. We see country rise up against Jesus. Flood, tsunami. All your pressure, I know just now your time. Somebody should have tell us if he edit that song and don't put it out that way. And when since Jamaica reached to that point that we spot a man can this Jesus Christ, God Almighty, and make somebody act like it is something okay. See? And you're a born gatekeeper, and you run down to interview with the biggest gatekeeper of them all, Foot Hype. You two don't understand yourself. And that's why we just sit down and just watching and say, yo, anything for hype. Any God Almighty, Phoenix Supreme, you have to be careful. saying, it no matter how talented or officer you is, when it come to this man, we start to see the world come up and fight this one man. It has must be for some reason. We're bigger than me and you. Me nah this Selassie, me nah this Jesus, but no man can tell me nothing about this man. Me no go to school, brother. Me no grow with no mother, no father, no me's just like a tree out in the wilderness. And every morning, me have to make sure, so brother, me acknowledge this present day with Jesus in it. I tell you, and show off, bring this grace. Then you are going to say, you don't know IShowSpeed. It better you did say, brother, me go over there, if you go burn a fire. But when me check a stock out a Bob Marley place, and it a go look bad pan Jamaica, so me have to hold on pan the fire. Me have to hold on pan the fire, youth. You come and talk about you never know IShowSpeed. You're lying. And we are going to change your name from Yaksta today to Lobster. You is no Yaksta. From you go up on Footer Hype channel, you are born gatekeeper, and Footer Hype is the biggest gatekeeper of them all. I am telling you, youth. Footer Hype is the biggest gatekeeper of them all in a dancehall and reggae music. The biggest gatekeeper where you ever go come up on. Footer is not only a gatekeeper. He means a man where from Batman and their money in sweep you under a bush. Because he know a fuck you keep up. He know you, brother, there is no way you tell me you don't know IShowSpeed. The most famous youth on the planet is that man. And listen to me again. There is no human being on the planet love internet like entertainers, artists. So they tell me, say you don't know speed, you're lying. I want you to tell Lobster, say you're lying, man. I just anything forget the hype. Listen to me. Did you know, say, just like how when AG come to Jamaica, they link me for coming, Me go one time. They reach out to me the second time, me say no. Too much of me, good for nothing. Make a next artist get a splat. You feel say they no link me. If you come and speed stuff, they link me, man. I said, me get called for go. But the one press boss now go. No man will publicly sit down in a man lap. Can't get me to come support them. Publicly. What is the difference between supporting IShowSpeed and Shibada? Not even Shibada though left in yard go support Speed. And me see Footer Hype. Nah, I'm born you. Because you're hot today. Yo, listen to me. I will rate your music. It better you did louder Footer Hype interview there. Because people can read body language and know when you're lying. As soon as the man asks you if you don't know speed, you turn away your head and smoke. Because you know, say, God Almighty, me embarrass myself. Look at your career going good. And you're gone over shit up hype. I'll make him bring down your thing. Because the whole world knows a dog. A liar, I tell you. A friend the other day, me know you this Jesus. And if it do, me I say, brother, I wonder if this man know how important Jesus is in a some man's life. Leave other people religion and make them live. Even the Bible tell you. And leave other people sexual orientation alone and make them live. From you publicly support certain things, me just not supporting you up on a level. Me not say if me see you dead, me not church hand you. But everybody knows Speed.
It's the biggest Android show ever. Gemini Intelligence brings a literal glow up with new experiences only on Android. We have a huge upgrade for Android Auto and stunning new laptops with Google Books.
man lab Speed sit down, you know. Speed do all different, Speed do worse than that. The dog do worse than that. And you go and turn upside of him as a man with a bonfire. I can tell you any amount of money me can better top up the machine and say one press. One press. One press. Whether you like it, yes or no. One press. One press where I get lobster this morning. One press for the lobster. Listen to me. You can't come out and come and burn chronics. Chronics are little you too. And none of them are perfect. But at least chronics come out and start out on a good foundation. So at any day, chronics still can stand up on a good foundation. None of them are perfect. But a one press for your lobster. One press. One top. And first and foremost, no artist and no bad man. So this Rasta thing, I'm a bad man, yes, so I'm a farmer, yes, so make up your mind. You have to make up your mind. Footer hype only jar you fi embarrass you because in things that you soon come America and him you are going to be a DJ. When footer hype is whatsoever you're burning, footer hype is the biggest of them all. One press. I can bet you anything. They invite Sizzler. They invite Sizzler too. They invite Khago. Me get call figure. Me get call figure, but listen to me. You would never see me go stand upside of Speed. And I tell Speed, say, listen to me. Right. Me see all popcorn abon the youth. And popcorn go Africa go put on frack. Popcorn then I know position. Me see all out the cover go like popcorn and God. Popcorn are the same God Almighty thing. The same exact ras thing is popcorn. Look how much in time me see man a hold popcorn past stage and I push down and all about. Dog gonna have a bell. Gonna have a bell. And allow people can no better. Popcorn come with this wall heap of why and a why up the little youth. I know say I feed them culture that, but you know better neither dog. And me see Jamaica turn, look on popcorn, look bomba blood clot and a man that have a popcorn in a hand. Africa so. What is the difference? What is the pussy clot difference to the man they might have a popcorn so? Like a some bad bitch down in Africa. And put on frack and then sitting upon him, dog on a bell. On a bell, a one press. One press. Uno too ungrateful, uno a hypocrite. One pussy clad press in a man in here, and it done. One press. Popcorn go Africa and then have him up, put on frack and then sitting upon him and have him up. No boy can't lift me up. Say one press. Say one press. Uno a hypocrite. Big old dirty hypocrite no be. Such a Africa man can lift you up. Man can lift you up down in Africa. Any no believe in a truth or right. Say one press. One press. Popcorn no different from Speed. In the African man I lift him up and put on frack on him. That I fucking truth. One press. No boy can take me out of my tight jeans them. And put on frack for me. And the same God Almighty thing. One press. If you don't know, say one press, just one press. You understand? You know a hypocrite youth. And just because the youth thing hot, you see them want bring him down. Jamaica is the only spot where the youth come and then bring up long out tongue and this. Worst part to get eye fears is a man tongue in the head. One press. Facts are facts. Facts are facts. Popcorn them par with people who spark sit down all goodly sit down pan dick. Why you put past Jake them? Jake them tell you don't put nothing past me. Don't put nothing past me. And them are popcorn, them are bodies. So you want to tell me, sir, the youth come down on the only Caribbean. I try to plant homosexual upon him is us Jamaican. It don't look good. And this is what me I said to Yaksta this morning. Because listen to me.
Watch the movie you want directly from your phone with no ads and no payment with this free app that has all releases from 2025 for you to enjoy.
Me glad say Yaksta never burn the youth, you know. Me glad. So him could have used me God to burn a fire upon him. But when me look and see a Jamaica, it a go look bad upon me. Well it. This is what Yaksta supposed to say, dog. Me God to burn a fire upon Speed. But why you go burn a fire upon Speed? What Speed that do you? Are you gone in a place them who spot? It's no random spot Speed going to Jamaica. A place we spot there already set up FEMA ready. Place we spot security. No say him a come a month in advance. Them pay their money or whatsoever they do to get them thing. It has been paid and they reach out to everybody where they want to come. And Yaksta, why you gone to one place to perform for free? And you're a Rasta man. Me say, they know say they nothing link Sizzler. They know they nothing link Capleton. They know they nothing link Luciana. Then try after me. But knowing how me stay, me can't go any God Almighty way. Because they know say I just one press. Because the wheat and the corn have to grow together to the day of harvest. So Yaksta, in a 100% born you in a dog. But you see, the Footer Hype interview that what you do, take it back. And it is not too late. Yaksta for yourself. Boy, I be that tell you that. We have to try to cover it up still, but so fuck it. We go for burn him. But he da look bad pan Jamaica and he da look bad pan dancehall music. How do we accept this apology for Yaksta, don't it? I mean, don't listen to me. It's hard to get the world to listen to you in a Yaksta. And the world will listen to you. So me no want take the apology from him. Because I youth same way. And all of we are search for that hit there. And he find it, but he might hurt himself. I mean, was enough I will not forgive him because in this Jesus Christ, God Almighty, you can't do that. A one press. And if we just say one press and go forward, a one press. You understand? When we see you come and put popcorn on this blood clot pedestal like him say something good. And him say the worst thing. The worst God Almighty thing on the youth tour is popcorn. Why popcorn never turn a ras yard? Why popcorn always want to tell man we spot to push their out? Nobody care we spot to push for your brother. You need to start walk around in our ras iron brief. Good morning. And come out of people's life, my youth, and live fear. Because we see the thing down in Africa and we just hold it. We hold it. But you know, don't go like popcorn or make some little shaky move with spot. You know, ready. It is not ready. Listen to me. I can understand you go Africa and feel like say, yo, me want to put on in tradition. But what this lift up and this carry you? This lift up and carry you, whether different from our man or wine up back or wine up. It don't make no difference. So as I am saying, why should we invite this man in Jamaica? Only for burn him. Are we bad mind?